Welcome back, Legends. I'm Mark from Legendary Makes, and in today's video, we're going to go over my newest make and how I plan on selling it, what it's about, and what it does. So here is the newest make here. This is a dispenser for Scotch cushion lock. It's these guys here. And if anybody uses this, you know how frustrating this box is. It's not stable. You try to pull some out, the box slides. I know there's rubber pads on here, but they don't do anything at all. So I figured I would make a solution, and which I think I did. So let's talk about some of these features here, which I have in the back here. We have permanent mounting solutions here for either the wall or your work surface. And then we have these keyholes here, which allows you to put it on to a screw and then easily remove it. And these are both like reversible, I guess you could say. So you would either mount it this way if you want it against the wall. And then if you want it on like your work surface, you would mount it this way. And so both sides are exactly the same. So you get the same branding with my logo here. And what I try to do was make this like aesthetic, kind of make it a premium product. But let's get a quick look at how it actually works. So I've already got 2 screws on here for my mounting points, and I'm using the slide on and off feature because you insert the roll through the side, either side, but with it being in a cubby here, I need to remove it to insert a new roll. But you know, some other people's work surfaces and work areas might differ where they don't have it in a cubby like I do. So it's just a simple slide it in here, bam, and then this stuff just super easy. So it kind of channels into here and makes it easy to tear off, and it's usually pretty consistent with a straight tear, because sometimes it'll tear all weird, especially out of the box when you're trying to fight with it. And who is this product for? Anybody shipping. I try to make this as aesthetic as possible. I do want my things that I make to stand out and have their certain feel and vibe, and that's connected with my branding. So as you can see, we have these sleek, nice curves here, some extra like just, I don't know, so it's not all white, something make it unique and a little bit interesting. And like it's got the same thing here because these are both the same side. And we've got the branding here. And I like just having my simple, just Legendary Makes, nothing too crazy on the logos. Very minimal, but it's there. So that's kind of what I was going for, is something sleek, appealing to look at, and obviously functional. So I've got this listed on my eBay store, on my Etsy store, and I'm going to hopefully get it listed on my website too here eventually. And I've got it listed at $39.99. I think that's a pretty good price for how much it costs to make that, time and all that sort of stuff. The time to print, I think, was like 8 hours, something like that. So 7 or 8 hours. Plans kind of with this is I have had other stuff that I was successful selling on eBay before, but this is not as niche as the other items I sold. So this should be good for me to learn in selling something that's not related to electronics, because that's mostly what I was selling before, was electronic type stuff. It's going to be fun trying to market this, and you guys are going to be along for that ride. So we are going to make videos, I think, every month to let you guys know of my progress. If anybody's copied the idea, if I'm actually selling it, how many units I'm selling. But I do want to add to this. So I kind of want to make this a modular type thing. From just what I've been watching and learning by watching a ton of YouTube and people making products and selling products, is it seems like having modularity to your product, if you can, and if the product calls for it, seems to be a good idea. So obviously that's extra sales, extra things you can advertise and all that sort of stuff. And it all is under the umbrella of your branding, and it all is under the umbrella of the item you're selling. And what I mean by that is designing extra things, like if I wanted like a scissor holder or like a pen holder that can attach to the side or the back or the top or something like that. So, and even if it doesn't attach, I can make the pen holders and the maybe like tape dispensers, anything in that shipping, you know, anything in that shipping world, I can make in this same looks, I guess, with the black, white, nice curves and stuff like that. So I do want to develop like a comprehensive like shipping station kit, I guess. And I probably will do different colors too eventually. But for now, I am just focused on trying to get this marketed. So right now I have it listed on eBay. I've got it listed on Etsy. I have it advertised on my Facebook business page along with Instagram. Posted it on X, and I did boost the post on my Meta, which is, I think, just for Facebook. I could have boosted on Instagram, but I just boosted on Facebook for now, kind of see how that works out. I wanted to boost on X, or I think you call it promote on X, but for some reason it's not letting me. There's some issues. I re-verified my account, so maybe that's it, but I'll probably eventually promote it on there as well, and just kind of go along with the journey to see if it's, I mean, maybe it's not even that interesting to people. Maybe it doesn't save people money, but it is only $40. And if you buy the branded Scotch one, theirs is a big metal clunky one, and it's like 180 bucks. And it just doesn't make sense to me to pay $180 for something like that. And this will do the job as well as it looks nice. So $40 option seems pretty cool. And I think I saw another like third-party option that was maybe like $100, and it was smaller, clunkier, and it had different like rolls for different things. And it just, I think this is a much better product. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to share that with you guys, and make sure you like and subscribe if you want to follow me on this journey. And most important, share.